Starting on the pole in the Gladys Greenhouse, number 33, Matt Stevens with the 1660. Starting second with the 1660 in the Scissors and Fur, number 19, Melissa Stevens. Starting third with the 1667, the Gladys Greenhouse Crusher.com, number 4, Chris Stevens. Starting fourth from a 1711 in the Gladys Greenhouse, number 1, Kyle Reuter. Starting fifth from a 1712 in his own number 24, Gary Miller Sr. Starting sixth in the Gladys Greenhouse, number 6, with a 1713, George Russell. Starting seventh with a 1723 in the Sid Harvey's number 54, Tim Galata. Starting eighth with a 1731 in the Murder 8187, Randall Platt. Starting ninth with a 1737 in the Gladys Greenhouse, number 9, Jeff Tetro. Starting 10th by scoring a 1744 in the Russell Racing 26, Shell Russell. Starting 11th with a 1748 in the Nason, number 35, A.J. Nason. Starting 12th with a 1748 in the Gladys Greenhouse, number 7, Jeff Johnson. And our pace driver, Colin Miller. In the Crusher.com, number 74. MC Howell, our flagger starter for the 15th Annual Classic.